Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X20 Plus versus the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X10 Plus. So if you don't know what these two are, the X20 Plus is a budget-friendly robot vacuum offering 6000 PA suction, dual rotating mop pads, and all-in-one dock that self-empties, washes, and dries mop pads. The X10 Plus, on the other hand, is a mid-range model featuring 4000 PA suction, a powered obstacle avoidance, and a compact dock with self-cleaning and drying capabilities. Now let's go over the pros and cons, starting with the X20 here. So the pros of the X20 is that it has higher suction power of 6000 PA, larger water tanks with 4 liters, clean and dirty, comprehensive dock functions, and now we get to the cons. So the cons of it is that it is bulkier in dock size, and basic obstacle avoidance is not that good. Now let's go over the pros and cons of the X10 Plus. So the pros of it is that it has advanced AI obstacle detection, compact dock design, and efficient mopping system. Now the cons of it is that it has a lower suction power of 4000 PA and has a smaller water tank capacity. So which one is right for you? So you should choose the X20 Plus if you prioritize stronger suction and larger tank capacities for extensive cleaning tasks, and opt for the X10 Plus if advanced navigation and a more compact design are important for your home setup. So if you have a really huge home and need more power, go for the X20 Plus, and if you live in a small home or a studio type or a small apartment or condominium, go for the X10 Plus. And that is it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.